Just 5 simple steps and I will fix your whole problem. You won't find this even after digging all over the YouTube. That's my guarantee. In the step 1, today we'll find the coordinate of every single point from the cinematic diagram. That's our first and main mission for today. Once we do this, everything else will be done. Here in the next step, that is second step, we will find the position vector of the chain, means AB, and then figure out the length of AB, that is length of the chain. In the step 3, we will find the unit vector. Whose unit vector? The unit vector of the position AB, that is AB. Step 4 is very important because this will give us our main answer, the main thing we have been looking for all along. Because the problem's question, first question is what is the Cartesian form of 50? And the last step is very easy, which is our second answer, the direction angle. That is the resultant 50 force makes how much angle with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Let this capital O point is the origin. Then the coordinate of O is simple 0, 0, 0. Then the coordinate of B. What is the coordinate of B? At first Z coordinate. This is height. What is height? Given 12. Then Z coordinate is 12. But what is X and Y coordinate of B? This is Y. Simple by the question is 5. Now what is X? There are no X displacement because they are parallel to the Y. That is 0. The coordinate is 0, 5, 12 of B point. Now let calculation the coordinate of A, which is the main part today's solution. Okay. This is Z, Y and positive x-axis. This line equal to 8. So Y coordinate is 8. No problem. Problem is that X and Z. Sorry, this point is A. Okay. Okay. This line is given 5 with the angle of 40 degree. 40 degree. This is 5 with 40 degree. Okay. But it is not along x-axis. It make 40 degree angle with x-axis. Then the coordinate of 5 along the x-axis is what? 5 cos theta. Because we know that where theta is attached, we attach cos. Where not attached, we attach sine. Along the z-axis, theta is not attached. Then the coordinate is 5 sin theta, where theta equal to 40 degree. Now calculate the cos 40 and sin 40 value and put the equation number A or point A. Now you guys plug in the values of cos 40 and sin 40, do the calculation and see what coordinate you get for this point capital A. In the question given theta is 40 degree, okay, where theta equal to 40 degree. I think you understood till now. Now you have to find position vector of AB. How to find? AB position vector means B vector minus A vector. Sorry, B coordinate minus A coordinate, same thing. B minus A, that means 0 minus 3.830. That means minus 3,830. Similarly, B minus 5 minus 8, that is minus 3. Similarly, 12 minus 3 point something, that is 8 point something. This is position vector. You can written as with respect to I cap, J cap, K cap also. Now find length of the AB. Each component, square, sum and under root. Each term of the coordinate. Whose coordinate? AB position vector coordinate. Each term, square, adding and under root. Pops out the answer 10 point something, 10.043. Step 3, which is the very important unit vector of AB. How to find position vector divided by magnitude value? Each component of position vector divided by 10 point something. You will find out. Okay. Like minus 3.830 divided by 10 point something, then answer is minus 0.3814. Similarly, 3 by 10 point something, answer is minus 0.2937, and similarly z component. Okay, this is our unit vector. Final and fourth step, not final, fourth step is very important because it is our answer. How to find if Cartesian vector? We know that magnitude of force into position vector along the chain, that is 50 into unit vector. So 50 into unit vector. So answer is first coordinate, the first term of the coordinate minus 19.07, second term of the coordinate minus 14 into 94, and third term of the coordinate is 43.74. You can retain as comma vanish I cap, j cap, k cap. Otherwise you can retain as within comma, whatever you like, but Cartesian form I cap, j cap, k cap. This is our answer. How to find direction angle? Cos inverse the term which is the x coordinate term of unit vector x coordinate, that is minus 0.3814. Cos beta making angle with y axis, so give or take the y coordinate of unit vector, cos inverse minus 2987. Similarly gamma, cos inverse z coordinate, put it. So finally the Cartesian direction angle is 112 point something degree angle. Okay, you can retain 113. Beta angle is 107 point something, and gamma equal to you can retain as 28.98. So thank you very much.